Integration in logical learning.
Evolution Present, The Fish Tale by Anupam Das for Class 5. The poem is written below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right. Now let's solve some questions. Question 1. These log boats do not go very far. If the wind is helpful, they travel about 4 km in 1 hour. How long will they take to go a distance of 10 km? Guess how far you can go in 1 hour if you walk fast. Answer. Distance covered by log boat in 1 hour equals to 4 km. Distance covered by log boat in 10 km in 1 hour plus 1 hour plus half hour for 4 km plus 4 km plus 2 km equals to 2.5 hour. Question number 2. Look at the sun and find out the direction from where it rises, from where you are. What interesting things do you see to your east? Name 2 things that are lying to your west. The sun rises from east and sets in west. My house door is lying in the west and the road also. The answer may vary students to students. Question number 3. Some boats have motors and go farther into the sea. Since they go far out, they can catch more fish. These boats travel faster at the speed of about 20 km in 1 hour. How far would the motor boats go in the 3.5 hours? How much time will they take to go 85 km? Answer. Distance covered by boat in 1 hour equals to 20 km. Distance covered by boat in half hour equals to 10 km. Distance covered by boat in 3.5 hours equals to 20 km plus 20 km plus 20 km plus 10 km. So the boat can cover 70 km in 3.5 hours. Total distance to be travelled by boat equals to 20 km plus 20 km plus 20 km plus 20 km plus 5 km. Distance covered by boat in 1/4 equals to 0.25 hours equals to 5 km. Time taken to travel 85 km equals to 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 0.25 hour equals to 4.25 hour. They will take 4.25 to go for 85 km. Which boat gets how much? In one trip, the log boat brings about 20 kg of fish, but other types of boats bring a bigger catch as given in the table. The table also shows the speed of each type of boat, which is how far each boat goes in 1 hour. Look at the table and calculate. Type of boat: log boat catches 20 fish in one trip, 4 km per hour. Long tail boat catches 600 fish in 12 km per hour. Motor boat catches 800 fish in 20 km per hour. Machine boat catches 6,000 fish in 22 km per hour trip. About how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips? Solution. To bring the answer, we need to multiply 7 with all the type of boats catch of fish in one trip. So, for log boat it will be 7 into 20 equals to 140. For long tail boat it will be 600 into 7 equals to 4200. Motor boat 800 into 7 equals to 560. And machine boat 6000 into 7 equals to 42,000. About how far can a motor boat go in 6 hours? To bring the answer, we need to multiply 4 with each type of boat's speed. So for log boat, it will be 4 into 6 equals to 24 km. The same process will be continued. If a long tail boat has to travel 60 km, how long will it take? From the given table, long tail boat travel at a speed of 12 km per hour. So time taken by the long tail boat to travel 60 by 12 equals to 5 hours. What other things have you heard of in lakhs? Cost of truck, cost of bus, population in towns, etc. Write the number 1000. Now write 100,000. So how many zeros are there in the number 1 lakh? Easy, isn't it? The solution is 1000 equals to 1,000,000. 100,000 is also called as 1 lakh equals to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 0. The total number of zeros in 1 lakh equals to 5. There are about 2 lakh boats in our country. Half of them are without a motor. What is the number of boats with a motor? Write it. From the question, it is given that there are about 2 lakh boats in our country. Then half of them are without a motor. The number of boats with a motor equals to 2 lakh by 2 equals to 1 lakh motors. Number 8. Where have you heard of a crore? What was the number used for? Solution. I heard of a crore in population of country. 1 crore equals to 100,000,000. Total number of zeros are 7. Bashir has rupees 100. He spends 1/4 of the money on squid and another 3/4 on prawns. How many kilograms of squid did he buy? Solution. Bashir has rupees 100. He spends 1/4 of the money on squid, so 100 into 1/4 equals to rupees 25. Karuttama sells squid for rupees 50 a kg. Bashir bought equals to 25 by 50 kg equals to half kg of squid. How many kilograms of prawns did he buy? Given Bashir has rupees 100, he spends another 3/4 on prawns, so it equals to 75. The prawns are sold for rupees 150 per kg. Bashir bought 75 by 150 equals to half kg of prawns. Workouts. Women's Minker Bank. The meeting of the Minker Bank has just begun. Fazila is the president. 20 fisherwomen have made their own bank. Each saves rupees 25 every month and puts it in the bank. How much money does the group collect each month? There are 20 fisherwomen in the Women's Minker Bank. Each saves rupees 25 every month. So total money collected in the bank each month equals to 20 into 25 equals to rupees 500. How much money will be collected in 10 years? So from the above solution, total money collected in bank per month equals to 500. Then total money collected in bank in 1 year equals to 12 into 500 equals to rupees 6,000. Now total money collected in bank in 10 years equals to 6,000 into 10 equals to 60,000 rupees. Practice time. Gracie needs money to buy a net and her sister want to buy a log boat, so they take a loan from their bank. They will return it with interest. Gracie took a loan of rupees 4,000 to buy a net. She paid back rupees 345 every month for 1 year. How much money did she pay back to the bank? From the question, it is given that Gracie took a loan of rupees 4,000 to buy a net. She paid back rupees 345 every month for 1 year. Then total money she paid in 1 year to bank equals to 12 into 345 equals to 4,140. Jhansi and her sister took a loan of rupees 21,000 to buy a log boat. They paid back a total of rupees 23,520 in 1 year. How much did they pay back every month? From the question it is given that Jhansi and her sister took a loan of rupees 21,000 to buy a log boat. They paid back a total of rupees 23,520 in 1 year. Then the total amount they pay back in every month equals to 23,520 by 12 equals to 1967. Why don't we start a new fish drying factory? The women of Minka Bank also want to start a factory to dry fish. The Panchayat has given them some land for that. Over the years, they have saved rupees 74,000. They find out how much they will need for the factory. Fazila writes the things they need to buy to begin. See the table for the cost of each item and the number of items they want to buy. Find the total cost. When fresh fish is dried, it becomes its weight. In 1 month, they plan to dry 6,000 kg of fresh fish. How much dried fish will they get in a month? Well, bore well for fresh water. Price of each rupees 3,000. Number of items 1, and the cost will be 1 into 3,000 equal to 3,000. Bamboo rack for fish drying. Price of each rupees 2,000. Number of items 20. So the cost will be 20 into 2,000 equals to 40,000. The price of each cement tank is 1,000 and the number of items is 4. So the cost will be 4 into 1,000 equals to 4,000. The price of each tray and knife is 300 and the number of items is 20. The cost will be 20 into 300 equals to 6,000. The price of each bucket equals to rupees 75 and the number of total bucket is 20. So the cost will be 20 into 75 equals to 1,500. Total cost to set up the factory equals to 3,000 plus 40,000 plus 4,000 plus 6,000 plus 1,500 equals to rupees 54,500. In 1 month, they plan to dry 6,000 kg of fresh fish equals to 1 by 3 into 6,000 equals to 2,000 kg. Hope you have found this video helpful and enjoyable. Please stay with us. We will come soon with new video. Thank you for watching.